Can I know if any of you are using blogger.com or blogspot? Nope. No. Morning. Nope. Okay. So, no. Alright. So don't worry. For today class, I'm going to introduce to you one of blogger which you can use, which is blogger.com. It's one of Google product as well. So let's go have a look at it. Oops. Okay. So using blogger.com, you can create blog for free. I'm going to introduce to you our blog, which is blogger.com. So we're going to have a look. What is blogger.com? So blog is hosted by Google. Like I said, it's one of Google product. So it can be accessed by a subdomain blogspot.com. Okay, so if people wants to go to your blog, your subdomain going to be blogspot.com. So we will have a look at this. So the very first thing you want to do is go to blogger.com. So just type in your URL blogger.com and it will bring you here. So for your information, you can as well type in blogspot.com. It will also bring you to the same page. Okay, it will also bring you to the same page. And I would like to inform you as well that all photo that you upload in your blogger or blogspot, okay, it will be saved in Picasa. Picasa is one of the hosted by Google. It's hosted by Google. So it will store in Picasa. Okay. So all images that you share in your blogger, please be mindful that it will be stored in Picasa. Picasa is hosted by Google. So each image provider hosted by Google. So you can have a look at Picasa. So that's why before we proceed, I would like to inform you. So if you have any images that you upload, that you put in your blogger.com, it will be stored there in Picasa. Okay. So if you wish to use this blog platform, so you can use it in your desktop, just go to blogger.com, or if you are Android user, if you are an Android user, you can search in your Google Play Store Blogger. Okay, so you can install this application in your phone. So you can use it to upload your story. Okay, so you can use it directly from your phone if you wish to share with your reader story about something. Okay, so you may do so. Yeah. But unfortunately, for an iOS user, you don't have Blogger. So you don't have Blogger in your App Store. But what you can do is a substitute for Blogger, but then you need to pay. So the cost will be, I think, there's a few application in in App Store, but then you need to pay USD 2.99 USD, around that price range. But it is not a blogger, it's a substitute, but then you can use it to edit your or post directly into your blogger account. Okay, iOS there is no blogger, but then you have substitute, but then you need to pay to use the product. So I will suggest you just use the desktop version, so it's for free. So this is blogger.com. So if you go to blogger.com, it will bring you to this page. So we are going to create our blog. So how can we do that? So what you want to do now, click on create your blog. Okay, so you can just go to blogger.com. Okay, blogger.com. So here in blogger.com, what you need to do now, click here, create your blog. Okay, so now you can try it out. Go to blogger.com. Okay, let me just share with you. Go to blogger.com here, and then just click on create your blog. Okay, click on create your blog. So now once you click on create your blog, it will give you option to choose what account, which account that you want to use for this blogger. So you may choose your account here. For my example, I'm going to choose my account. So I'm just click on that account, and then you just enter your password, your Google password. So you just enter your password and click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you about your blog title. Okay, create a new blog. So here will be the title of your blog title. So for example, here I already have my blog title, whatisblogger.com. Okay, so here is, this is just an example. So here is the title of my blog, which I just created, whatisblogger.com. So it's up to you. You can rename your blog title. So it's just click here and then name it, and then once you give it a name, click on next. Now here you are going to create a URL, a blog address for your blog. So like we discussed before, it will hosted by blogspot.com. So the URL will always end with blogspot.com. Example here, I have whatis.com.blogspot.com. So the blogspot.com will always be there at the end, okay, at the end. So here, you just give it a name, so for the address. So if it's not available, it will say, sorry, this blog address is not available because someone else already used it. For the title, it's okay if it's even though someone else already used the same title, but for the address, it needs to be unique. Okay, but for the address, it needs to be unique. So here, if it's come out red like this, sorry, this blog address is not available, so you need to change it. Okay, only if it's available, you will see the blog address is available, and you click on the, and you can click on the next button. If it's not available, you will not be able to click on the next button, so you need to keep change. So now let's just wait for everybody. So just let me know once you're already click on next. Just let me know because I want us to do it together, because I know to think about your blog address, it will take some times. And also don't worry, we're going to use this only for the demo. At the end, I will show you how can you delete the blog. So if your concern is if this blog going to be published, so don't worry, this is only for this lesson. At the end of this lesson, I will show you how can you delete the blog. So now you can just try it out together with me. Okay, just let me know once you're done choosing your address and click next. Oops, sorry, I got disconnected. Just let me show you again. But same thing, just let me know once you already can click next. Just let me know once you're done creating your blog. Done. Yeah, you should be here in the blogger profile. So everybody done? You should be in the blogger profile. So that's everybody made it. Done. Okay. All right. So here for this part, you just key in your name. Okay, because whenever you're posting something, okay, this name is for here, display name, right? So whenever you post something, so people can know who is the author. So if they go here to they can see your name. Okay, they can see your name. So it's up to you. You can give uh your your name or your nickname. It's up to you. Okay, it's just for the viewer, the visitor that visit your blog, they can know who is the author. So here, if you have a nickname as well, it's fine. Okay. So now choose your blogger profile. So the display name. So choose your display name and then click finish. Okay, so and then now everybody should be in this dashboard. So it will tell you blog created. So just let me know once you are here. Okay, let's wait for everybody to be here. I'm going to sign in because I already created. Okay, everybody should be here. Let me know once you are there. And if you have any problem as well, just let me know. Okay, so everybody is there. All right, so now I'm going to introduce to you what is here, okay? Once you created, so now you are in the post section. Currently, you will see there are no posts. We're going to create our first post. To do that, click on the plus sign. You will see the plus sign on the bottom. Click on that, okay? Click on that to create a new post. So here will be this part will be the title of your post. Here you have the editing tools. Okay, here you have the editing tools that you can use. Here you can click and then you can start adding the content. All right, that's so now you can just type in your first post. And also here, if you see in this part beside title, okay, this is where you can change. This is the compose view. If you click, it will change it to HTML view. So if you have any coding, if you have any coding, so then you can just copy paste the code here. Okay, you can just copy paste the code here. If you are familiar with HTML, you can just copy paste the code here. Or if you are not familiar with HTML, to change back to a compose view, just click this icon back. Okay, so it will be here. Create a new post. So beside the title, you are looking for this icon. So this is to change between HTML and also compose view. So this is HTML view, this is compose view. That only for that particular post. Okay, the HTML, if you are working on the HTML here, it's only for this particular post. Okay, only for this particular post. It will not for everything, it will only for this particular post. So now you can start typing your first post. So this is my second post, so I'm just going to do this second post, and you can start typing here. You can also change. Okay, this is the tools that you can use. So you can make it bold. Okay, you can change it to become huge, and then you can change the font type, the text color, and then if you want to make it a bullet list, it's up to you. So you can choose whatever tools here, and you can go to more option. There's more option for you. Okay, there will be more option for you. If you want to align it, okay, there will be more option for you. For if you want to see the more option, you click here on the three dot for more option. Alright, after you change between the view, so they have compose and HTML view. If you notice, they will also have labels. Here, they have labels. If you are familiar with labeling in Gmail, it's similar. Okay, it's similar. Why we want to put label? So let's just see here. I'm going to put it label demo. Okay, demo. So what is label for? So actually, the label is you can use the label for more than one post. Okay, if for more than one post in your dashboard, you can find labels next to your title. Again, the reason why we want to put label because later on the readers, okay, our blog visitors, they can use the label to filter your content. Similar with if we are using labeling for our Gmail to filter. Okay, it's the same concept. So now I have this label demo. So here you have, sorry, wait. Here label. So here below label, you can schedule your post. Okay, you can schedule your post. If you choose automatic, so once you click publish, it will be published. But then you can also set date and time. For example, let's say your blog is about a quote that you share with your visitor. And then every 12 p.m. or every 12 a.m., a new post will be posted in your blog. So you can schedule it. Okay, publish on, you just click on set date and time. So you can choose the date and time. So then this post will only be published on the selected date and time. So okay, you can schedule your post as well. So here, these three option, what is the three option here? So the first one is to save. If you choose save, that means it's only going to be saved as a draft. It will not be published to your blog yet. Okay, if you go with the save button, it will only save this post as a draft. It will not share into your blogspot yet. Here, the eyes icon, it will be preview post. If you click on it, you can view the preview of your post. Okay, you can, for example, I click on it to see how it looks like. So then it will be like this. Okay, so it will give you the preview. So the next button is for you to publish. Only once you click on publish, the post will be up in your blog, else it will only just be saved as a draft. Let's say when I click on publish, it will ask for confirmation. Okay, it will ask for confirmation. So this will be published in your blog. Then you just click on confirm. Okay, so here is, okay, let's just post this first. Okay, any question for now for the posting? Any question for the posting? Alright. So here is an example. So I have my second post. So here, let's make it center. Okay, here remember more option, center. I want it to be in center. And then let's just preview first. So this is the preview. So it just come out like this. So this is my level. Hello world. Second post. If I'm happy, I can just publish, confirm. Okay, I have two posts. So now let's open up my blog. So I have my first post and then just the one that I did just now. This is my second post. So here without labeling. Okay, so you just see here my title and then this is my content. So my second post, here is my title, here is my content, and here is my label. So as a visitor, once I click on the label, so it will show me, it will filter, remember, it will filter for me all the posts that label with demo. Click on show all, so it will show me back everything else. If the user click on the menu option as well, they can also view label. So they can just choose the labeling. Okay, they just click on the demo so they can filter all your posts that label with demo. Okay, so this is just for labeling. So it only for the user, it will be easier for the user if you label your post. Here in your dashboard, once you already published something, you will be able to see number of comment. So here, okay, this icon will be the numbers of comment that you receive for the particular post. Here, the eyes icon, here where you will be able to see the numbers of viewers. Okay, the numbers of viewers for that particular post. So you have numbers of comment and also numbers of viewers. Next up is static. Okay, let's just go back here. So here is my post dashboard. So for this post, I have one comment, I have 7 viewer. So 7 view, okay, 7 view for this one. And then the second post, currently I have no comment and also no visitor yet. So this is, you can see all your posts. Okay, here you can see all your posts. Now, if you go here, stat, so this is actually your static. Okay, the static for your block. Okay, the static for your block. So if you just click on that, on the top right here, is just a summary of your blog overall static. So you will see numbers of followers, the number of posts that you created, the number of comments that you receive. So this is the number of summary again, the numbers of viewers. So this is fixed, yeah, we cannot change. Okay, this is fixed, we cannot change. It will be always be all time. So since the blog is published, how many visitors that you have. This is for today, how many visitors you have, yesterday how many visitors, and then they're going to see this month, last month. Again, this summary cannot be changed. Okay, this summary cannot be changed. And then you will see latest block. So it will break down the static. It will break down the summary from here. It will break down the static into latest post. They're going to give you summary of the latest post, and then you also going to have a look at the block static, post static, and pages static. Let's just go here. Okay, again, so this is the numbers. Here, all time, how many visitors, today, yesterday, and current month. Here, the latest post, that will, this is only the static for the latest post. So currently, my latest post is the second post. So it will show me second post, how many viewers, again, how many comment. So here will be the title of your blog. Okay, on the top here, the second part will be your overall blog visitors. This is overall. So the numbers, it's 29. And numbers of comment, it's 1. This is about your blog. You will be able to view. Okay, you will be able to view all time. Okay, you will be able to view all time data in here. Here, the second part. Okay, second part will be all time post. Okay, post here, it will arrange, you will arrange based on the most visited one. Okay, it will arrange on most of the visited one in descending, how many times did people visit in descending order. Okay, Here is post and here is pages. Pages. So the concept is the same. They will show you how many times in descending order. In descending order. So let's just here. So post, I have two posts. My first post and my second post. That's why in descending order, my first post will be on the top. So here is the viewer. The same things with pages. So I will show you how to create more than one pages. But here I have created a pages which is about. That's why you can see here pages. So like I told you, whatever here is fixed. Okay, whatever the data here is fixed. You cannot change the summary. But then what you can do if you want to change, you can only change here. Okay, you can change the data display on the bottom here, but you cannot touch the things here on the top at fixed. I just say last 24 hours. So it will show me only for the last 24 hours. The second post, the view, it's at around this time. Okay, in between this time. In between this time, visitor for my blog, again, this is the total number. The post, again, they're going to show you in descending order, pages as well in descending order. So this is basically about the static of your blog. If you are wondering who is your visitor, how many visitors, what is your most popular post, you can have a look on the static side. Now, if we move on, the next one will be comments. The next one will be comment. Here, if you go to comment, let's go here, comment. Okay, if you just click on comment, okay, you just click on comment. There's actually, you will be able to view all comment, or you can also filter it. So maybe the one that you publish, the one that you mark as spam, and also awaiting moderation. So here I display to you all my comment, which is currently I only have one comment. Else you will be able, if you have a lot of comment, you will be able to see all the comment here. So here you can choose either you want to delete, you want to mark a spam, okay, or you want to mark the comment as a spam. So you can choose either one. Either you want to mark it as a spam or you want to delete it. Or you can just leave it like that if you want to keep it in your blog. So let's say it will be published. So you just keep it like that. So you don't have to do anything. So that is for comment. I will skip for earning. Okay, I will skip for earning. But if you are wondering, so for earning is for you to advertise in your blog if you want to make profit. So the profit is count like if your visitor click on that. Okay, if your visitor click on the advertisement. Okay, so if you want to advertise in your blog, if you want to make money out of your blog, so you can have a look at the option. Okay, you can have a look at the earning part, and then that one is another part. So you whenever visitor visit your page and click on that, you will be able to make money. Okay, now next part will be pages. Pages. So like I said, you can create more than one pages. Okay, you can create more than one pages. So here, the same pages and posts is almost the same. So I will show you. Now, if you go to pages, it will be, you are looking for the same button, the plus button on the bottom. Okay, you are looking for the plus sign on the bottom part. So create a new page. Click on the plus. So now it will bring you here. So what, like I told you, is almost the same as you are creating a new post, because you need to click to add title, and then you have the editing tools, and also if you want to add the content, you may just click on add a content, and you also have the HTML and also compose view. Okay, you have the HTML and also compose view. You also can save it as a draft only. So you just save it. You can preview it and then you can as well publish it. The only option here for creating a new page will be this option, which is reader comment. Either you allow the reader to comment, either you do not allow. Okay, either you allow the comment or do not allow any comment, but then you allow to show the existing comment, and also you do not allow and hide all the existing comment. So currently for creating a new page, this is the only option. So now let's create our page. Go to pages. Okay, click on the plus button, create new page. So again, the same concept, title and content. So let me just write down here second page, content, hello world. So here, again, you have HTML view and also compose view. It's the same. So you have save, preview, and publish. Option, like I told you, either you allow comment or you do not allow comment. For do not allow comment, you have two options. Either you going to allow to show the existing comment or you're going to hide everything. For here, let me just allow comment and click on publish. It will ask again for confirmation. So click on confirm. Okay. Let me just refresh this. Okay, and then your pages should appear here. Okay, your pages should be appear here. So you have home, you have about. Home will always be there. And then I have about. Okay, for creating a new pages, is there any questions or any problem? So can everybody create a new page? You can try it out now. You can try it out. You can create a new page. And then kindly go into your blog and let me know what did you see here. Did you be able to view your pages or not? Okay, let me know if you be able to view your pages from your blog or not. So click here on the menu and you should be able to view your pages here. If okay, just let me know what you can see here. Do you have any problem with creating a new page? Okay, the purpose of creating a new page, as you know, if you go to any website, they have about us, they have contact us, and everything is not in one particular page. Okay, everything is not in the same page, everything is in separate page. Yeah, the posts and the pages are separate, correct. The posts and pages are separate. As you know, so whenever you are visiting any website, they have a section about us, contact us. So that means it's actually the separate pages. It's not the home page, separate pages. So, okay, any problem? You cannot see your second page. Yep, the posts and pages are separate. Okay, any question? I'm just going to give 1 more minute so that everybody can try it out. Yes. Yep, correct. So the pages, this is post. So the post will be in your home page. So if you go to your pages, it's totally one post. Okay, it's totally like you are posting one post in one pages. Okay, for the page, you're actually posting one post in one pages. Looks like this. Okay, for the pages, you're actually posting a post for the entire page. So let's go back to home page. It will look like this. So this is post. Okay, this is post and this is pages. It's totally different from posting. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. So I guess everybody okay, for those who are tried out, you will notice. Okay, for now, don't worry. Yes, you will not be able to view that second post. The second page, the pages that you created. But don't worry, I tell you why. Yeah, yes. Don't worry, yes, I tell you why. If you notice, I have two pages. One is about, one is second page. If I go here, I should have home, about, and second page, but I don't have the second page. I don't have the second page because we need to insert it, and then it will show here. For now, it's not here because we are not yet to put it here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how. Don't worry, as long as it's here, that means we can put it there. Okay, so now let's do it. To do that, so it's the same. For pages, you can view the numbers of comment and also the numbers of viewers. To do that, it will be in layout. Okay, to do that, to make your page appear on your blog here, okay, you need to do it in the layout. So let's do it together. So if you go to layout, here is the layout configuration. Okay, this is the layout configuration. So you can choose which one you want to put in your blog, which one you want to remove from your blog, which means remove will not be displayed in your blog. Okay, so I have about me. So here, if you notice, so I click here, I have about me. Okay, I have about me here. So if you disable it, it will not be displayed. And you can as well add a gadget. So if you search for a blogspot gadget, there's a plenty out there that which you can add on into your blog. So this is how can you add pages into your blog. So you click on add a gadget, you are looking for pages. Once you found pages, click on the plus sign, okay, and then save. Okay, and then save. Then only your pages will appear. Again, click on add a gadget. After that, you are looking for pages. Click on the plus sign and save. When save, here in the when you click pages and click on plus, it will bring you to configure page list. Okay, it will bring you to configure page list. If you notice here, okay, page to show. If you notice here, page to show, you will notice your second page is unticked. That's why it's not appear there. Now what you need to do, you tick on your second page and click on save. Then you try to view your blog again. The second page option should be there. So now let's do it. So I have my second page. Go to layout. Let me just remove this first. So then we can do it together. Okay, remove. If I go here, let me just refresh. Okay, if I click here, my home page, my about is not here because I just removed the pages option. So I don't see my pages. Okay, I don't see my pages. To make it appear, go to your blog. Okay, it can be on your bottom or it can be on the top. So it's up to you. So if I choose the bottom, it will be here on the bottom. Okay, it will be here on the bottom. Or you can go with the, it can be on the top. Sorry, it can be on the top here, or you can choose it to be on the bottom. Now let's go with the bottom option. So it's up to you, either want it to be on the top or bottom. Now I'm going to go with the bottom option. Add a gadget. You are looking for pages. You are looking for pages. Okay, remember look for pages, click on plus. Okay, click on plus. After that, you just tick on the option. You just tick on the option that you want it to make appear. Let's just say I save it now. So let me just show you. So page element edit. So as you can see, I have pages, block, archive, label. You can as well rearrange it. Okay. Okay, now without rearrange, don't forget to click save. Okay, save first. Okay, your change has been saved. Now let me refresh my block. So now you will not be able to see yet my home, my about, and my second page. Now let's refresh. Alright, so once I click now, you will be able to see my home, my second page, and about. Remember, you can always rearrange this. Let's now put it after label. Okay, I'm going to put it after label. So now it's the page list archive label. Just now what I did here, I put it below labels. Click save. Okay, your change has been saved. You need to refresh. If I click on here, so it will be below label. My home page, my second page, and about. If I click on second page, it will bring me to this page. Okay, does anyone still have problem with pages? Do you manage to view your page? Suppose. Yes? Okay. External link, it will bring the user once the user click on that to the outside page. Okay, let me just quickly show you. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Here. Okay, click pencil if you want to edit. Okay, add external link. So let's say I want it to bring to our Soul's website here. Okay, in the page title, you can write down the title. I'm going to write down the title Source 247 and the URL. Okay, just now I click on add external link. Okay, I'm not sure if you'll be able to view my screen. Let's just, yeah. Okay, if I click on add external link, it will ask me to about the page title and also the URL. Just now what I did, I created a page title is Souls, and then the URL I copy paste Souls link, Souls URL. Just save this. Okay. So I edit the pages. Let me just save. Okay. So now, if you notice, I have this is using external link. Okay, I created Soulster for 7 pages using external link. Once people click on that, it will bring that person to another tab, which is the URL. Okay, it is for the URL. So now it's go to this website, soul247/education. It's for you to link the user to external party, external URL. Again, if you make any changes, don't forget to click save. You can as well preview and clear. Okay, please keep in mind, if you clear, this is only for the for blogger.com to reset to default setting, but it will not remove gadget added into the blog. So if you added a few gadget, don't worry, it will be stored there still. It just, if you click on clear, it will reset to default setting, but it will not remove any gadget. Okay, so this is the live view. If I choose the sidebar top, okay, this is for pages, sidebar top, so I click on that. So I have this option, so the pages will appear there. So now we're going to have a look at theme. Okay, the theme. So if you click on theme, so here you can find a lot of themes that you can use for your blogger. Okay, you can use for your blogger.com. So if you just scroll down, there's a plenty of theme. I just go here, themes. Okay, if you scroll down, there's a plenty of theme that you can choose from. Okay, there's a plenty of theme that you can choose from. Just look for any theme that you want to use. Okay, there's a simple theme, okay, and there's also more complicated theme and also dynamic view. Okay, maybe if you want to be like something like this, there's a plenty of theme. You just need to scroll down. So currently we are using Contempo. Okay, currently we are using Contempo. Again, if you don't like it, you can always change it. Okay, if you don't like it, you can always change it. So just look for the theme that you like. Okay, don't worry, you can do it now. You just look for the theme that you like, and then let's say I'm going to change the theme to Soho. Okay, when you click on that, okay, when you click on the theme, you can preview it, you can apply it directly, or you can customize. Okay, we're going to have a look at the customization later on. So now let's just preview. And then you can preview either you like the new theme or not. Okay, so this is the preview. Oh, so this is the preview. So you can decide either you like it or not. So if you like it, you can immediately click on apply, or you click on this back button to keep looking and searching for the one that you like. Okay, you can keep clicking and searching for the theme that you like. Now we're going to talk about customize. Now I'm going to talk about customize. So what you can customize for your theme. So if you click on the customize here again, you have option for the theme. So you can keep scrolling and searching for the theme, and below the theme, if you notice here, will be the color of that particular theme. For example, currently we are using Contempo Light. If you are choosing Contempo Light theme, they have color option. Okay, they have option. They have another option. So here is combination of pink. Here is the combination of blue color. This is combination of ocean color. This is combination of orange color. So in one theme, they have light, a dark pink, flamingo, and aqua color. So let's just go to customize. Again here will be the theme. So you have Soho, Emporio, and plenty other themes that you can choose from. Let's take with Contempo. In Contempo, they have few other colors. Same theme, just different theme color. So you can click, okay, you can click whatever color that you want. Again, it's the same theme, it's just the color theme change. So the theme is contempo. So this is the color option. This one, the theme is Soho. This is the color option. The same theme, it's just the color option change. Contempo color option. Okay, this is just the color option that you can choose from. That is for if you go to theme. So now for background, you can as well change the background image. Okay, you can as well change the background image if you don't like it. For example, before this, if I go with this one, I have the cat images, right? So if I go to background, you can remove the image. Okay, let's say go. So you can remove the image. So currently there's a blank. And you can as well add another image. Let's go with the random image. Click on this. Done. And it will be there. You can as well keep changing the image. Okay, keep changing the image. So here, from the photo of the cat, so now it changed into this images. So that if to do that, you can go to background. So you can also customize the color theme. Okay, the color theme basically will detect based on the image color. Okay, the color theme will normally detect based on the image that you choose. That will suggest you the theme color that's suitable for your blog. But let's say you don't like it, you can always change it. Let's say I'm going to go with the blue color. So now here, if you notice, my theme will be blue color. And again, you can as well change it. Let's say I want to go with the purple color. So now my theme, it's in purple color. So in the background, you can change the background image and also you can change the color for your blog. Okay, the color for your blog. If you go to advanced, click on advanced. Okay, if you go to advanced, for advanced, there's more thing that you can manipulate. Okay, for advanced, there's a lot of things that you can manipulate, such as the font, okay, the color, again, the color, the text color, the style, sizing, and a lot of other things. So you can have a look at the body, you can have a look at the header, okay, the post. Again, this is about you controlling what color that you want to have in your blogger. Okay, you can even control the width. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, if you want to make it bigger, right? So this is everything in advance. Okay, if just go to advance. If you go to gadget, so here where you can control the gadget, so it's basically the same things in the layout. It's basically the same thing in the layout. Okay, basically the same thing in the layout. So either you want to show your label, okay, basically the same thing in the layout. This is for you to control your gadget. So let's just go back, leave. Kindly ensure you click apply to block if you want the changes to take place. Okay, for the gadget, it's basically the same part of your layout here. Okay. Any question for the theme customization? Basically, you can play around with the color, how you want your blocks to look like. Okay, so it's totally up to you. You can control and manipulate the color. It's up to you. You can choose your color that you like. For the images, it's only going to take place for the theme that have image. Okay, so this is gadget. Again, if you want to control the gadget, I would suggest you go to layout. It's more easier to control your gadget from there instead of here. So now we are going to have a look at the settings. Okay, if you click on settings there are 16 parts that you can control. But for today, I'm going to explain only for basic, permission, and also manage block. I'm not going to charge. to touch everything. So I'm going only to touch the basic setting, the permission setting, and also the manage block setting. So for the basic control settings, okay, for the basic control setting, so you can have a look at the block title here. You can as well click on the description. So you can just click on the description. Then you can add description about your block. So for the block language, I would suggest you choose your main language that you use for your block. Why? Because will be a lot easier for Google Translate. Because let's say your block is in Chinese. Let's say your block is in Chinese, and I cannot read Chinese. As for me, I cannot read Chinese. If I go to your block, I have option to translate your entire block into the language that I can understand. Okay, I can understand. That's why it's very important for you to choose your block language. So later on, it will detect your language and translate it into the language that I can understand. As for the adult content, it will give warning for visitor. Before they can enter your blog, they will give warning and the visitor need to agree they are qualified to enter the blog. Okay, for the adult content, visitors to your blog needs to agree that they are reached the age limit to enter the blog. Then only they are able to view your content. For Google Analytic Property ID, this is only for the people that you using Google Analytic. So you can key in your ID here. Okay. For those have Google Analytic, you can key in your ID here to trace your static for your blogger. To trace static for your blogger. And last but not least, you have the fav icon. The fav icon is for you to set up the logo. Fav icon logo, it's this one. Okay, do you notice this B? Fav icon will replace this. Okay, fav icon is only to replace this icon. If you notice this blogger.com logo here, fav icon will replace this one, the one beside your title on the top of the tab. Okay, fav icon will replace this one, the logo beside your blog title. So now, let's go to permission control. Similar with other Google product, you can share your blog. You can give permission to others to edit your blog. Similar with other Google product, you can share your blog and give permission to others to publish something, to post something, to create new pages. Okay, similar with other product, you can share your blogger.com. Okay, you can share your blogger.com. So here in the permission, however, there is limit. You can add up to 100 total members. Okay, 100 total members. So this 100 people is include the other authors that you invite to join and collaborate together with you for the blogger.com, the administrator, and including the reader. Okay, including the reader. So if you want anyone to access your blogger, you don't have to give special permission. You can just give them the URL. It will not be included in the total 100 member. Okay. For example, I want to visit your blog. I just visit through the URL. So I will not be included in the total of 100 members. But then, if you invite me, specially invite me, if you add me here, okay, if you add me here as the reader, okay, you invite me as a reader here, okay, if you invite me as the reader here, so I will take up your 100 quota. Remember, you have 100 quota to add on authors, you add on reader, you add on as well your administrator. Okay, if you invite manually like that, it will take the 100 total members. But if you just share the URL, I will not take the total of 100 members. So then let's say you can by saying so, you can have 100 up to 100 author to modify your blogger. Let's say your blog is about your school. Okay, let's say your blog is about your school. So what you can do, you can give access to all teachers, total of, let's say your school have 100 teachers including you. So you can give access to all, and everybody can modify and post something in the blogger.com in this blog. So that is for the 100 total members. So remember, if you just pass the URL, I will not take up the quota for the 100. But then if you invite me manually here, okay, if you invite me manually from the blogspot, that means I will take the total of 100 quota. Here, for the manage blog, the reason why I want to touch about manage blog, because from here, you can remove your blog. Like I told you in the earlier, at the end of this lesson, I will show you if you're not happy with your blog, you can delete your blog. To do that, just scroll down. You are looking for manage blog section. Okay, you are looking for manage blog section. So you have import content, backup content, and also you can check out the videos from your blog, and you can remove your blog. So this is the option that you are looking for if you are no longer wish to use your blog. If you want completely remove it, so it will not appear and also available for others, you can remove your blog. To do that, just scroll down in your setting, look for manage blog section, click on remove blog, and then that's it. You can remove the blog from your email address, the email address that you use to create this blog. So here you can just remove your blog, so it will no longer available for others to visit. Any questions? Just let me know if I miss anyone question. Oh, sorry. Aina, sorry. The posts are displayed in at the home page, but the posts are arranged in the page created. It will. Okay, let's go. It's not arranged in the page created, but then if you notice, it will also show you the list of posts created. Okay, it's not meant to be how to say, it's not for the pages, but then it will always be displayed on the bottom. Okay, on the bottom content of your pages, the list of posts. Okay, this is only going to show you popular posts. It's not going to show you everything. Okay, it's not going to show you. Let's say I have the total of 10 posts. It's only going to show me 7. Okay, 7 popular posts. Okay, if you go to any pages here, about, if I go to about as well, if I go scroll down to the bottom, it will show me popular posts from this blog. It will always be there. Okay, this popular post from this blog, even though you are whichever pages that you are in, people will be able to see this to promote your content. To control that, okay, to control that, you have the option. Sorry, let me just go. Sorry, is it in setting? I'm sorry, let me just look for it. Yeah. Okay, you can control the number of posts here. Okay, you can control the number of posts here. Let me see if I'm correct. Okay, this is only the number of posts. If I go to home page, so this is my home page. So then I will be able to see the list of posts. So you can control the list of posts here. In the setting, you are looking for the post section. In the settings, you are looking for the post section. As for the pages, it will always show the most popular posts. It will always show the most popular posts because it wants to promote the content of your blog. You want to promote the content of your blogs. That's the reason why you will be able to see the list of pages, okay, the list of popular pages at the end of each pages that you created. If I delete my blog, can I use again my Gmail that I signed in before? Yes, you can use it, but then you cannot use the same address because the address is unique. If you delete this post, if you delete this blog, okay, if you delete this blog, let's say I mean this what is blogger.com, manage blog. If I remove this blog, okay, if I remove this blog, yes, it will remove my blog from my Gmail, but then if you wish to use it again, you cannot use the same URL. Okay, you cannot use the same URL, but then you can use it. You can use Gmail again to create another blog, but not the same URL because the URL address is unique. You can only use it once. If you try to use it again, even though you already remove it, the address will not be available for you.